I'm Blanca Codina. I'm a product designer. Welcome to my Lofted studio in Brooklyn, New York. This building used to be a garment factory. It was built in the 1920s and it preserves many of the industrial details like the concrete floor and the exposed pipes. I'm also a furniture designer, so I really love that I can live here with my furniture and test it out. I have many of my works here, and they're also displayed at Transformers Gallery in Manhattan. Although this is a small space, there's a lot to see, so follow me. Here's the entryway to my apartment, and the first thing you see when you get in is the huge window that fills the space with so much natural light. I also thought this was a great spot to put one of my creations. It's a poof that's made of esparto rope. Esparto is a natural fiber that's commonly used to make espadrilles, which are a type of shoe that's very popular in Spain, where I'm originally from. And this poof pays homage to my roots. We're underneath the loft, and since this area has a dropped ceiling, I think it's a very nice retreat from the rest of the apartment. So I thought this would be the best space for my living room. I selected this white rug because it brings brightness to the space and helps delineate it. There's also a shelf that we decided to decorate with my partner's work. He's an architect, so here he placed some of his models. And then I added one of my pieces. It's made of the same material and weaving technique as the poof. This is a really nice space to hang out. And when we have friends over, we all sit in the different levels of the sofa, which is really fun. And that's one of the many reasons why I love designing furniture. This staircase is my favorite part in this apartment. I love how the steps turn into shelves. When I design, I get inspired by the forms of everyday objects and give them a twist. This is a table lamp I made. It's a faucet that's pouring light, and I think it's very poetic. And this other lamp I created, it's inspired by how the industrial pipes raise from the floor. So this is a table I made out of wood scraps. It's interesting how each piece has its own form and character that I decided to preserve when I was building it. We placed the dining table in front of the window because of the light. I think it's fun we have mismatched chairs, and one of them I actually made. This chair is made out of pine wood and it's a prototype, but the way you design a chair is by using it. Now let's head upstairs to our bedroom. On top of the loft is our bedroom. It's the quietest area of the apartment. We have a king-size bed that's facing towards the windows, and it's surrounded by two cartel nightstands. And we also have this area where we keep books and objects. One of my favorite parts of the bedroom is this column sticking out, because I really like to see the original architecture of the building. And I really think it's fun to look out and see the whole space from above. Just as we want to be surrounded by the people we love, we should also be surrounded by objects that we appreciate and care for. After all, we spend so much time in our homes. Thank you for taking a look at mine. And if you like some of the things you've seen, come visit me at Transformers Gallery.
Well, if you like that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we want to make sure that you're getting this content all the time.